In today's video, let me show you how to fix Discord cannot add bot to server. Now there could be quite few reasons why this may be happening, but the most common reason is that you do not have the permission within your role. So you can simply head over to the particular server, head over to settings, and head over to the roles option and make sure that your role has the option of adding in new servers. So if you are a member and if the administrator has not given you that permission, this may be the exact reason that why this may be happening. If this is not the case for you, then secondly what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. Simply tap and hold the application of Discord, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache being displayed. Simply tap on it and try to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is just reinstall the application of Discord onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.